Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve one SQL problem. So the name of the problem is investment in 2016. So there is a table given, insurance table. The name of the table is insurance table. There are five columns. The primary column is PID. It is policyholder ID. Policyholders policy ID. Okay. So this is the investment in 2015. This is investment in 2016 TIV. Okay. This is latitude and longitude for the policyholder city. And TIV is what? It is the investment, total investment value in 2015, and TIV 16 is total investment value in 2016. And PID is what? Policyholder ID. Policyholders policy ID. So now the question is write a solution to report the sum of all total investment values in 2016 for the policyholders who have same 2015 value as one or more other policyholders. Okay, so in 2015, that's 2015, whatever is the value for the policyholder, that value must be same for other policyholders, one or more other. Okay, and they are not located in the same city as other policyholders. That means their city must be unique. That is the latitude longitude attribute pair must be unique. Okay. So this must be unique, and this value must be repeated. So for example, and round to TIP 16 for two decimal places. So it is easy. We can easily round this value. So now here you see this is the example table. So there are four policy ID, then 2015 total investment value, 16 value, latitude, longitude. Let us first check in 2015, 20 investment value 20 is only one. So this row is eliminated. We don't consider this row. And 10 value is repeated three times. So we will consider this value. Now I will again check the latitude longitude. This must be unique. So this two 2020 is repeated. So this is not unique. So we will cancel. We will not consider. 2 is already cancelled. 3 is also now cancelled. 2 and 3 is cancelled. Now 1 and 4 remains. We will check their investment value. Total investment value 2015. It is repeated. Nice. So now we will go to 2016 value 540. We will add it. I will get 45. So this is the explanation. You can read the explanation here. Okay. So now how to solve this? Our latitude longitude must be unique. That is their count. If I do a count of them using group by, that must be 1. And this count must be greater than 1. Yes, because one or other policyholders must have the same value. So this must be greater than 1. Only if only one policyholder has the value and there is no other policyholder which has the value, we will not consider it. So this must be greater than 1. Their count is greater than 1. But these counts, latitude, longitude pair count must be equal to 1. So let us write this using a city. So I will select the PID, then TIV 2015, then TIV 2016, then I need the latitude. Actually, I do not need, but let us keep it. Let's do longitude. Then I need the count star over what? Partition by partition. Partition by latitude, longitude, as suppose NT. Again, count star of count star over partition by So I will partition by TIV, right? TIV 2015. Let's suppose CNT2 from what? From the table insurance. So now I will select the sum of TIV 2016 as what? As TIV 6 from the city, where my count needs to be 1 and my count 2 needs to be what? Greater than 1. So latitude longitude must be 1, right? The unique value of latitude longitude, and the PIV 2015 must be more than 1. Their count should be more than 1, right? So I need to round this also. Round to, correct. So I think this should work, right? Let us run this. Okay, test case is correct. Now let us submit. So this is correct. Runtime is this. So thank you.